Alright, so this is the Rama U80. It's got Kiwi switches inside. Kiwi switches are from TKC, the key company, which is also shut down recently. The board was the Monokei board with no with no top cover. So this is the Rama U80 with no top cover. I wanted it to be like an interesting floating switch kind of board. I mean, everyone's done that, right? So I thought it'd be fun to just do a version of it myself with something like this. Keycaps DMG and GMK DMG 3, and I've got some of my artisans on display. Some of these are not full price because people have been shutting down here left, right, and center, right? So I just put some of them here. Let's do a typing test to see how a Kiwi switch sounds like in 2025 with a caseless, top missing board. Yeah, all right, let's go. Just click. Okay, so let's do the sound alone. I mean, nice board for sure. I like the Rama U80. Without the top case, it sounds funny, but it doesn't sound bad because the Kiwis are good switches. The Kiwis have the T1 stem. Back in the day, these stems were fun to use. So there was a whole batch of Kiwis that were wrong, and they actually did a recall. No, they didn't even recall. They just sent you new stems and new Kiwis. So I had those 2 packs basically of Kiwis, and then had fun typing with them. They're very fun, tactile in a good way. Not as sharp as the Holy Pandas, but it was a very nice tactility. I think it still works in modern day. I haven't had enough modern day tactiles. I've been going for a lot of modern day linears. Yeah, feels great. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with this board after this. Spare parts is the key. So let's just see how it goes. Alright, that's it. Thanks.